Yes. Yes, do that. Go on and get. Go on and get. Fridays. Yeah. Get your green, get going. Again, a little bit of chopping around. Did anybody do the W on the ES or the YM? Anybody do that? Obviously, you should have your targets off if you did the W long. If you didn't do it, that's fine too. This one, okay, yeah, it's all right. Chopping around a little resistance. That's it. And like I said earlier, guys, you're just looking back on that 15-minute chart, right? These prior swings. Let's see, I'm on the ES actually right now. So these wicks on the 15-minute chart, you know those are prior swings. So those will act like little resistance areas, if you will. Same for the YM. Just looking back, these little indecision areas, those will act like points of resistance somewhere between here and here on the YM, somewhere on the ES, close to where we're at. We have a convenient little zone. As a matter of fact, we probably have a convenient zone for the YM in that same area. And the trend has turned up to the upside. It's two-way trade today, early on. I think it's probably going to slow down until the open now, guys. So why don't we grab a quick cup of coffee real quick and come right back. Okay? Quick cup of coffee, come right back. Sorry, that's amazing. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks, Sarter.
Yeah. All right. Let's do a quick cup of coffee real quick, guys. Quick cup of coffee. If nobody's long, if there's nobody long, even if you're long, just take YM or ES. Move your stop up. Target should be off by now. Quick cup of coffee. Come back in a couple minutes, and we'll get ready for the open.
Yep, sounds good.
We'll talk through the daily plan again, and add some extra notes based on morning's events, and get ready to rock and roll. All right. Quick coffee. Come right back, and we'll go through the daily plan before the open. Thank you, guys. All right, back. Didn't miss anything. Can you hear now, Matt? Can you hear me now, Matt? Matt, you may need to click the refresh button. Oh, yeah. Relog in. All right. Those of you that are on trial, please, again, watch the videos we give to you to help you get an understanding of what we do. Those just showing up. If you're going to try to follow along in the trades today, please do it in sim or paper trading. Don't risk your cash while you're here as a visitor. And we will help answer any questions that you have. And all right, so let's get through the daily plan real quick. Again, guys, still looking at this as a little bit of two-way trading, obviously with a bit of an emphasis on the long side right now. But the trend is relatively close to neutral, guys. I mean, relatively close to neutral. It wouldn't take much to turn it right back down to a downtrend, literally just below the pivots, below the YM ES pivot, back to a downtrend that easily. So keep thinking of it as two-way trading. M's and W's or smooth stochastic hooks with prior swings. You guys all have that written down? M or W trades, like this W on the YM, like the M we did earlier for the big trade. Same thing on the ES. W's for the M. Or you're taking those trades off smooth stochastic hooks. Now, those of you that got long on the W, stay long. Try to ride that through the open. Try to ride that one through the open. Now, what do you expect on the open, guys? Think about this for a second. We had push down, push up overnight, push down, push up, push down. So, do you think that there might be another push down? You guys think that? So, expect a little bit of a push down close to the open in the two-way trading environment, right? You guys writing this down? Everybody writing down the plan today? Let me get some yeses. Is somebody listening? You guys all fat and happy, already made your money before the open.
Yeah.
All right.
You pegged
So
me
write it down.
perfectly.
Write it down, guys. Write it down. What'd you say, Paul?
I said you pegged me perfectly. I wasn't writing it down. I'm sorry.
You normally do it, but you got done before the open.
I did it. I do it every day, but I am done. So I probably should have wrote it down just in case you call me out and I have to repeat it.
I know, right? All right. If you got green and you got one of the big trades, either the short or the long this morning, keep that green. Keep it, Sid. Keep it, Captain K. All you guys that got green, keep that green. Don't give it back on a Friday. Don't do it. It was a nice trade to the short and long, and then the other long that we just talked through. Nice trades, guys. Don't give back your green. All right. All right. Switch to sim. Keep your green. So before the open, we got a couple minutes before the open. Going to review the plan again. Everybody's listening now. Everybody's paying attention. Still thinking this as a two-way trading environment. Why? Because trend's pretty close to neutral, guys. So you want to, again, write it down. Smooth stochastic hooks from prior swings. Check. 1. 2. M or W trades. Check. 2. 3. Trust the zones today. Be picky. Don't give back your green. Trust the zones. Check 3. Check 4. When you get green, stop. All right, Robert K. We got a few people done for the day. Let's give you guys a gong before the start. Matt, Captain K, Robert K, all you guys. Let's see, who else is done? There's like Sid. Gosh, it's like 10 people that are green and done today. Everybody else, I don't know who I didn't name, but guys, great job. Keep your green. Switch to sim. Excuse me. So that is checkpoint number 4 today. Get green, get gone.
Get green, get gone.
Get green, get gonged, and get gone. So if you notice, guys, those of you on trial, people will type in something like this. It means they're done for the day. We like to give them a little send away gong. There's a little tradition brought from the sailors. Came out. I'm just kidding.
G4.
Some fun stuff we made up here. As in tradition, it is tradition. We'll chop here. If you're not long already, don't chase it, guys. See, we got a couple minutes till the open. 2 minutes till the open. 4. Like it.
Just came up with a new one.
Like it.
G4.
Got a new one. Yeah, minute and a half till the open, guys.
It's supposed to be G to the 4th, but I can't get a little 4 up there.
G to the 4th. So again, expect to push down on the open, guys. Expect a little bit of a push down through the open. All right. That's just the thought process behind it. Why? The markets kind of like to do expanded versions on days like this of what happened in the overnight session. So what happened in the overnight session? Up, down. Okay, so we have the down, we have the up. Most likely going to see another down. Well, that sounds simple and way untechnical. But guys, trading's hard enough as it is. Let's keep it simple. Let's keep it simple. Stay in that long trade if you're in the long. Don't chase if you're not in it. Stay in the trade if you're long. Don't chase if you're not in it. And we are open for business, or we've been open for business. The markets are open, the U.S. Open, if you will. And ES looks like it's willing to give that push down a little quicker. Again, those of you who are newer to trading, aren't consistently profitable, wait 6 minutes before you start trading. Only people who are seasoned traders should be trading through the open and taking the sell signals, like what just had formed on the YM. So again, you would think there would be a little bit of a push down this morning. Still in that two-way trading environment. Now, if the first touch rule in W holds up, we are going to be long heavy after 6 minutes. So if there's no real push down, you want to be long heavy. Heavy long if there's no push down, which we didn't see. So those that are experienced can be in that long trade. Everybody else, wait 6 minutes. There'll be plenty of trades. Nice little smooth hook at stochastics on the YM. Yes, you had a little W. So you had a W on the ES here, a little tiny W. Yep. And then on the YM, and just a little smooth stochastic hook. Remember, we talked about smooth stochastic hooks. So experienced traders should be long now. You guys that are experienced, not newbies, guys, wait the 6 minutes. You'll get your opportunity. Who of the experienced traders that have permission to trade the open took that long signal? Pretty easy to do. It didn't push down. Got a nice little first touch rule, both ESYM and little W. Anybody do the long signal? Anybody take the long? I know you if you didn't. You know, the rules are wait 6 minutes. I'm sure there's some people that did. Hey, Fritz, good job. Good job. It was an easy one. Not again, Fritz is Ramon. Good job. All right. Fritz and Ramon are experienced traders. They can handle trading through the open. They know how to manage their stops as well. So we're gonna let them handle that. Everybody else, just be patient. Just a few more minutes. Just a few more minutes. And again, guys, as we go through the morning here, we will slow it down. Don't want to give back profits on a Friday. Keep your green, get green, and keep it. Looking at another little buy signal on the YM. Yes. Stay long. Buy signal on the YM. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, stay long.
Okay, another runner on the ES. Coming up on it.
Good. Did you do it? No, you're done, right?
I did it in the other account.
Oh, perfect. Look at you.
I'm playing at this point.
Is it a runner?
It's getting
Is it a
close.
runner?
It's getting. I'll tell you, almost. It will be here in 37.50, 47.50. Excuse me.
Okay, a couple more. I think you got. I don't see any reason why it's not going to fall
I mean,
along with that.
I don't have.
Nice little W forming on the YM. Go ahead. Sorry.
I was gonna say, I think I'll get it. Come on, baby, go.
I think you can get it too. I think you can get it. YM's moving. Nice little W on the YM. All right, slow enough this morning now. Everybody, we can start. Everybody, start putting your thinking caps on. Free to trade around. I know 6 minutes isn't up, but we're not seeing a ton that will tell us that it's going to be too crazy on us. So you're free to trade around the country. Bing! The world. We have people all over the world here, so we should say world instead of country.
Yep.
Free to trade around the world.
Boom.
Bing.
One more minute or less.
Yeah, Your Honor?
Yeah, I got it. Got it.
Nice. Good job.
Thank you. Now I'm really done.
Yeah, I was about to say. Do, do, do.
And there's your 6 minutes.
Bingo. You very rarely is there a day that we don't by 9:45 find a decent trade, guys. Very rarely is there a day. YM's toying around with this little resistance area. So might still see that push down. ES guys, you're obviously still long. YM, be patient. Be patient. Only do the W right now if it's YM. Only take the W long if you're on the YM. ES guys, stay long. Just squeeze your stop up on the ES. The M trade's coming. Again, we are in an uptrend now. Fully uptrend. Okay, guys. So pullbacks should be looked at as buy opportunities at this point. There you go. Just stay in that long trade on the ES. Got the W on the YM now. But I'm still thinking the YM's probably going to sink a little bit, guys. So I'd say be patient on the YM. It's just bouncing off this little resistance area. So if you take the long trade on the YM, let me click on that chart, trying to help out here. If you're going to do the long trade on the YM, your stop has to start down here. So if you treat this like a funky looking W, then your buy stop's going to go here and your stop would start here. Again, I do think it's looking a little heavy on the YM. So you'd like for it to come back down probably to around this area, right, guys? Prior swings, smooth stochastic hooks with prior swings, or M's and W's. That's the plan today, right? So you either do the M or do the W trade, or wait for a pullback and a smooth stochastic hook from prior swing. That's it. Not a complicated plan today, right, guys? Yes, long traders. Good job. Big money on that. Yes, this morning, guys. Big money, no whammies on the ES. Seriously, I mean, like it's been easy. YM's been a little bit harder this morning, but still pretty straightforward. Again, on the YM, guys, if you do the W trade here, stop has to start down here until you get a target off. And we'll wait for a pullback here, and we'll turn on the trade on buttons for the YM and the ES, and we'll do an example trade for you guys. Staying long on the ES, moving that stop up gradually. Move your stop up. Nice little trade. Should have your targets off on the YM long. Simple, right? Simple stuff. Yes. Let's bring your stops up a little bit. Something like that right there would be a good stop. This point, as a matter of fact, this point on the ES, guys, you could just attach your stop to the 89 here. I would think that would lock in plenty of profits. YM now, you move your stop up. So how many people are doing it now? There should be pretty much everybody long, YM or ES. Nice, John. Target's off, stops up. Good job, Matt. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
I like it.
Macho
I need
Man.
that meme more often. That's my kind of meme. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Squeeze those stops up. Just keep stepping every guys on the YM. ES, you may be close to being flat and let little M form. But just step your stops up with each of these pullbacks, right? Step your stops up with each of the pullbacks on the YM. Probably close to being flat now. Good trade. Good job, guys. Good job. Sorry, Paul. Paul, switch. Yes. Do it in sim until we talk on Tuesday, okay? Or no, never, okay. I just realized what we talked about earlier. Yeah. So we'll chat Tuesday. Okay. Yeah, I know that now. I said that before I even so used to telling people to switch to sim that I didn't even think about our conversation. Might be getting a little W on the ES. Again, we're slowing it down a little bit, guys. Slow it down as the morning goes on. Some good trades this morning. Really good trades. Really good trades. So slow it down. Still not going to go away from that two-way trading thought process. Just a big bias to the long side at this point. Remember, guys, push up, push down, push up, push down. So there's likely to be a pullback coming soon, especially on the ES. So what are you doing? Looking for prior swings. So that would be somewhere around the zone, right? Somewhere around this zone, you might want to start looking for a buy signal. Just be patient. Some good stuff this morning, guys. So again, I'm going to keep harping this morning. We've been able to do this pretty much every Friday for like, I don't think we've had a bad Friday, and
No, Fridays are good.
I don't think we've had a bad Friday. I can't remember. It's been a while since we've had a rough Friday. It's been a while.
Juan.
Will Wheaton. So let's keep that track record. That's the point I'm trying to make. Keep the track record. Let's be good green today. What I'm saying is, if you're green, get the heck out of here.
That's right.
Yes, just dip down into the zone, but I still, if you want to take the buy signal on the ES, guys, get the target off quick. Still think you probably need to look for a little bit of a W action, but if you take the buy signal on the ES, get the targets off quick. I can see a little deeper of a pullback here. You know what? I can give it a try. What the heck? Oh, it's too late. Oh no. It's too late.
Yeah, you missed that one.
I tried to press the button on. I just missed it. There you go. Target should be off on the ES if you did it. YM. Could have treated this like a little, maybe a little W. I think just, if you're not long on the YM already, don't do it. If you're long on the YM, you could have treated this like a bull flag, right? Bull flag type of trade on the YM. Let me click on the chart. Trying to remember to do that. Yeah. 3, good. Yeah. So first touch rule, first touch. Very good ones this morning, guys, on the YM. Another sign that we want to have a stronger bias to the long side is, well, the long trades are working. First touch rules are working, both ES and YM. First touch rules working on both the ES and YM. So strong bias to the long side. Anybody do that retrade here on the ES? Pull back. Anybody grab that? Tried to. I tried. Sway, good job, Matt. Great job, guys. Kim just wicked right into the zone. It took me a minute to realize, yeah, you know what, I like it. And I was a little late on the trade on button, so you can pass on that one, or you're long. No chasing on Fridays either. Don't chase trades on Fridays. I know it looks really strong. It looks like you want to be long. The pullback will come. So just be patient. And my advice for most people, I know it's only 9:46, but I mean, dang, when you have a great morning. Oh, nice. Give that man a gong. Nice. Farouk, nice job. Trucking, good deal.
Good
Nice.
job, Farouk.
Farouk, trucking, Ramon. Guys, great job this morning, everybody. Nice. Wolf guy. Sway, Damien, nice job, everybody. Great work.
All right. Nice.
Well, sorry, I missed that.
Oh, just Farouk. He's texting. Sorry,
Oh.
am I talking out loud? I just like when people do well.
I
love
want
it.
to send it, copy it and send it to me.
All right. Can do.
I want to know. I don't know. I'm pretty sure Farouk is okay with that. Just
Yeah.
you okay with that, Farouk? If he sends that to me so I can celebrate with you.
Brian
With
likes
you?
to. We all like it when people do well. When our members.
All right. Thank you. Send it to me, Paul. Watching the first touch rule on the YM. Guys, again, still thinking we're going to see that pullback. So be patient on the ES. We've had 3 first touch rules on the YM. So this time you may want to really confirm this with a W this time, right? At least a buy signal on the range chart. Looking stochastics. Just not trusting it as much this time, guys. Just not trusting it as much this time. You needed a W. If you don't get the W, don't take it. Don't do it on the YM. ES, you either did the M short or you're waiting for a deeper pullback. Be patient now. And there's the pullback that I've been telling you guys was going to come. Didn't know when or where. We have guides around here. We can look at the resistance areas that were prior resistance. Same on the ES. Get a little guide here. The line came right up to it, prior support or resistance. Those tend to work pretty well. So you always typically keep your eyeballs on the 15-minute chart. I bet if we look, we would see, oh yeah, resistance in this area. Look at that on the YM. YM. Let's see. Do we see resistance? Oh, yep, sure do. Got some resistance in that area. Get back to a little bit of an expanded version. Intraday resistance. So you be patient. Now you've got a little deeper pullback on the ES for another long signal. And still think we need to see a W on the YM. If you do the long signal on the YM again, targets off quick. Yeah, guys, I think we should see a little bit more of a pullback, both YM, ES. So a little bit more. So if you're going to do the long trades, get your targets off quick. That's why I'm kind of being patient on it. Kind of being patient. Is that Paul?
Just Farouk said he did it again for another ES 10 ticks.
Nice.
When it works, it works. Don't go to the well too many times though. Be careful.
Oh wow, that's awesome.
Yeah.
I was just about to say that, trucking. Come on.
There you go. You stole
I
your
was
thunder.
just about to say
You
that.
stole your thunder on that one.
What? Well, you know what? I'm just gonna play it anyway because I do love it. Hey, the plan worked today, guys. The plan worked. Look at that. And I love it when
I love it when a plan comes together.
I was literally just about to say it too, right when it came up. I was gonna say I love it when a plan comes together, guys. Oh, that's nifty. So, like I said, look for the pullback. Is there anybody short? I didn't call the short trade purposely, but is there anybody short on the pullback? Good job, Killer B. Killer B listens, takes notes. Don't have to call it. Just kept saying. Kept saying we're going to see a pullback, and had a little M action on the YM, had a little M action on the ES as well. Oh, Matt too. Nice. We'll sell off from the zone. So just let it pull back more. If you're not short, don't chase. Just let it come back down. You'll get another chance here in a minute. If you're not short, don't chase. Don't give back your green. Keep your greens today. Those that are short, just keep trailing. It should be a pretty nice short from this point. Probably going to be a runner too, guys. Be honest with you. So stay in the shorts. Those that are short, stay short. And you're going to end up with a runner on the short side. So stay short. Let's see a little support in this area on the YM. Guys, by the way, those of you on trial or anybody out here, you know that you can double click on the chart you want to see and it'll pop out and you can move it to another screen. So those of you on trial, if you want to see a specific chart like ES or YM, just double click on it and it'll pop it out and you can move it to a different tab, different screen, whatever you want to do. Okay. Now you might see a little bit of buy signal here, guys, on the YM, and looks like a little bit of a buy signal about to form on the W for the ES. Just don't like that. Looks like it wants to keep going down. I'm just thinking it's a little bit lower, guys. Be patient. Just be patient. I don't think that you want to take a long signal unless it's a well-defined W. Don't think you want to take a long signal just yet. Just be patient. Yeah, that's it. Win the day. Yeah, that's exactly what I said this morning, guys. You're gonna see the push down, push up, and another push down. We did say that, right? Right? We did say it. We did say it. I think we said it. Did I say that, Paul?
You said it.
Okay. You guys have that in your notes too, right? I got it. So win today is correct. Why? Because that's what we expected to happen this morning. Push down, push up, push back down. We're just going to be patient on the long for a minute. YM doesn't even look into it. So if you do the long on the YM, guys, again, get those targets off quick. If you do the long on the YM, get your targets off quick. Now on the ES, you could probably start looking at this as like a W trade. Breakout on the long side. But I still think we got a little bit further down to go. So I'm not trying to force you guys into a long trade. Just saying if you want to treat it as a W on the ES, put your buy stop up here and just be patient. So you'd be one tick above this little wick right here. The buy stop. So 36 would be the entry. 36 would be your buy stop if you want to take a shot at that on the long side on the ES. Like again, guys, I think we still need to see it drop down a little bit more. So if you're short, stay short. I'm not telling you to get long. That's the point I'm trying to make here. If you're short, stay short. Six. Yeah, there you go. You can totally see that too. You could totally see that happening. So again, if you want to do the long, get your targets off quick. Look at that 356. Like I said, I still think we need to go down a little bit further. At least down to this zone here, guys. Unless you get a little W trade. That's the only thing you can do. You either buy out of this little spot or you let it keep dropping. You can buy out of this little area on the long side if you want to on the YM. Should work for you now. But again, I keep looking at the ES and saying, maybe we just let it drop more. Some people took this little retrace short, Shamim, and some people got short back here on the M trade. So there's people that are short different spots. Is that what you're asking? So some people are short from this sell signal, 41.25. Others are short from 47.
Stop it, man. Another one?
Oh, I mean, technically that's a runner, yeah.
He's just racking it up today.
Just racking up the runners. Yeah, but don't chase at this point, Shamim, right? Don't want anybody chasing.
Yeah, definitely don't chase.
Don't chase at this point. If you didn't get in here on the YM, if you didn't get in here or here, might have another chance here, but I don't like the way the YM's acting right now, so I just don't like it. If you do it with a sell signal like this, or treat it as an M trade, right? On the YM, treat this as like an M trade if you want to be short. But it's still an uptrend, guys. So those of you that aren't consistently profitable, you just be patient and wait for a good buy signal. What are we waiting on? Those on the ES, stay short. So what are we waiting on? What am I telling you guys wait on for the buy signal? What do you think? Hey, either a W or the zone. Yes. That's it. So right now, more experienced traders, you can take those short trades. And we're back to a downtrend pretty soon. See, guys? Got the push up, got the push down, got the push up, got the push down. There's I need like a wizard hat or something. Ramon, great job this morning. Have a great weekend. See you, buddy. Momentum rolling over. Price the YM's probably going to follow suit with the ES pretty soon here, guys. So you can take the short trades on the YM. I still have not gone away from the two-way trading. Why? Why is that, guys? So pick a chart, any chart. Let's start. I'm already on the YM. Why have I not gone away from the two-way trading? Well, look at what happened in the overnight area. Down, up, down. What have we seen this morning? Down, up, down. Interesting. So look at the same thing on the ES. Same thing on the ES. Down, up, down. What do we have this morning? Down, up, down. How about that? How do you guys like apples? Didn't take a genius to figure that one out. That's why I was expecting this to happen. That's why I haven't gone away from two-way trading today. Does that make sense, y'all? Everybody, does that make sense? Not complicated. Very simple look, very simple approach to looking at the market and saying, okay, well, this could probably happen. And guess what? It did. It's not like I could predict the future. I've looked at charts. Man, how long have I been looking at charts? Started out in the financial services business in like 2002. So what year is it?
23.
21 years I've been looking at charts. Is my ES tick chart frozen?
No, it's moving.
Yeah, it's just moving up and down one tick at a time. Oh, well, that's no. I moved it back. Sorry. Thank you, Farouk. Thanks for pointing out. Staying short on the ES, staying short on the YM, guys. We just gave you the M trade. So how many people got short on the YM with the M? How many people stayed short with the ES?
Matt, you still in
You
this?
guys are all short, right? Everybody's short.
Nice. Well,
Told you guys this would
nice.
be a runner if you stayed in it. I mean, the ES is like mega runner.
It blowed up. Blowed up.
I did tell you guys it would be a runner if you stayed in on the short side. Did I not? I believe I said that too. Not trying to pat myself on the back, but what I'm trying to tell you guys is, listen, when you hear me say something, write it down. If you didn't understand, ask. Do what Tony does. Ask, ask, ask. I always commend Tony for asking. I never hear somebody get frustrated by asking the questions. What do you mean by that, Coach Brian? Okay, this is what I mean. Don't let it turn into just noise for you. Actively participate, and you'll do better at trading. Hey, Miss Chanel. Good morning, Miss Chanel. Hi there. Harold.
Harold.
Way to go.
Hi, Harold.
Type in a nice little DFD and let's get you
A gong.
let's get you a gong.
Harold, you've had a good week, haven't you?
All right. I'm gonna
Nice.
give you a gong. I need to hear it this time. Those of you on trial, you may want to turn your speakers down if you don't like the sound of gongs. Great job, Harold.
Good job, Sarter.
Started for the day now, too. Almost
All
three
right.
runners.
All right,
All
Harold.
right, Harold, Sarter, here's your gongs, guys. Way to follow the plans. Just Sarter, Harold, great job. Everybody this morning. All you guys that follow the plan, got green, got gone this morning. Great job. Great job. That's what we do. Helping traders get green. Helping traders get green. Number one goal here at Liberty Trading Club. Create consistent traders through a community atmosphere. Good job, Paul.
Me or the other Paul?
Other Paul.
So I was like, what'd I do?
Now, see, we got down to the other zone that we talked about, and what'd you get? Nice little buy signal.
Yep.
Sorry I didn't call it out for you guys. Got a little W here on the YM. Switch charts. Little W action on the YM. Got patience paid off, coming down to a zone. So those of you that were waiting for the long signal, there it was. Just took a little patience. Same on the ES. This is why we have zones, guys. Look at this. It's amazing how these zones work, isn't it? Amazing. Oh, we have zones. We wanted to pull back to the zone. We did point that out, right? Guys, I told you we wanted to come down to the zone. As a matter of fact, good job, Rick. That's
job,
what we're waiting
Damien.
on. As a matter of fact, who said it? What are we waiting on? Win the Day and Damien. Win the Day and Damien both said it. So, did you guys follow along with what you said that we would do? Wait for the zone. Rick did. Nice job. Damien, good job.
Spy signal out of the zone. Good
Win
job,
the Day,
Damien.
did you do it? Hey, look at that.
Win the
A little bit of
day,
planning
yes.
helps, right? Wait for the zone. Anybody catch it on the YM? Or is that all? These are all ES people. Graham on the YM. Nice job. Graham. Love it. Good job. Good job. And this
Exactly
may
what
not
we-
be as big of a runner as we've had. Huh? What's that?
Hey, it's still
Paul?
good though. No, I was telling Damien that's exactly what we talked about. Good job on seeing that. Good entry.
So go back to the overnight session. Push down, push up, push down. Now, what would it take for this to turn into a downtrend? What would it take for us to be in a downtrend, guys? You guys know the answer to this question. Break below the pivot. That's it. That's all it would take. So, are we still in a two-way trading environment?
Yep.
Are we still in a two-way trading environment? Yes. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Good job, everybody, by the way. Now's when we really slow it down some. Great work, y'all. Hats off to you. Again, guys, you guys know it. Trial people, hopefully you guys are starting to see it. We really try to work our butts off to get people green. You're talking on the YM, right, Paul? Let me take a look. Stop being on the ES. That's what you do, guys. To 420. What are you? 22 even? 2250. Let's see. 2250. A little late entry there, buddy, but 2250. You got to use the pivot right now.
Yeah, I was gonna say just the pivot. Yeah.
You got to use the pivot at this point, or go flat.
Drop might take you, but pivot.
Pivot. Yeah, pivot. Pivot
Still
or go
good.
flat,
Yeah.
because it's gonna be a downtrend here in 2 seconds.
Take your money.
Yeah. Got it,
Watch it
Damien.
watch it bust up.
Just put it on the pivot. Just put your stop on the pivot. Leave it. All right. 15-minute.
Yeah.
Prior pivot points. Downtrend chart. I would expect that today. Did you put it on the pivot, Damien? Oh, you had it there. Nice. All right, good job. Yeah, because it literally below the pivot becomes a downtrend. So that logic thinks that you can reverse and go short if you hit the downtrend. Now, you don't want to be flipping your trades every 2 seconds. I don't want people over trading. But same thing on the YM. Same thing on the YM, guys. You get down below the pivot. It's a downtrend now. So take the sell signal.
Nice, Zach. Or win the
Take
day.
sell
Sorry.
signals.
Awesome.
Good job, win the day.
Yeah.
That's another gong. Sorry, Sorry, guys, you guys on trial. And people that don't like the noises, but I love it when people get done. Great job. Win the day. Great work. Great work. Patience is key. Please, those of you on trial, I implore you to please watch the videos if you haven't already. Oh, you just want me to keep gonging, Fritz? Let's do it anyway. Again, if you guys don't like it, we're gonna let you know when somebody types in DFD. There's going to be a gong. That's all there is to it. Celebrate. Celebrate. Yeah, buddy. That's how to do it.
Good job, Fritz. Fritz, did you get your issue resolved this morning?
Nice job, guys. I think it's only 10:17. I feel like it's 11 o'clock already. You guys,
I know it does feel like we've been here a while.
I was like, I think it's time for another coffee break.
I know. I was gonna
It's
say,
not even 11.
I thought we're close to wrapping it up, but no, we're still. We haven't even got to the 10:30 reversal yet.
No. No. And honestly, guys, with the price action acting the way it is around the pivot, maybe we should do a coffee breakdown and come back for the 10:30 reversal. What do you guys think? Price just chopping around the pivot. You guys really want to trade that? There's something I need to help out with there, Paul. Waiting for an answer with Fritz.
Oh no, I got him. We got to take care of.
Okay. All right. Danger zone. Yeah, you guys don't want to trade it? Yeah, let's just take a quick coffee break. Come back for 10:30 reversal. Let's do that.
Welcome to Celebrity Trading Club, everyone. Paulina here. Hopefully you've enjoyed our live stream this morning. If you're interested in joining us live in the trade room, just visit libertytradingclub.com and sign up for your free 3-day trial. During your time with us, you'll have access to our live trade calls, as well as participation in chat to have questions answered by our coaches, as well as access to our training modules and all our indicators. After the first free 3 days, it's just $149 a month for trade room access. Please like, subscribe, and share.